This is how I understand wind chill. As far as I know, it's pretty close, so you might want to use this to help you understand it. So if the air temperature outside is -5 degrees and there's really no wind, maybe like a light breeze, 0 to 2 kilometers, and of course there's no sun, this is you improperly dressed, and you radiate heat. And so that's what those little arrows are, and the little a line that goes around you. And so as you radiate heat, you kind of warm the air around your body, and you're able to tolerate it. And it's -5 outside, and it feels like -5 to you as you're out there. If there was a cup of water beside you, the water as well would, let's say it was, room temperature that you take outside, it would start to radiate heat around it as well. That would sort of protect it from, the -5 right away. And it would probably take an hour for all of that heat to dissipate. It would take maybe an hour to freeze. If, let's say, the air temperature was -15 and the same 0 to 2 kilometer breeze, you would still radiate heat out, but the heat you would be radiating would be coming off of your body so much quicker because of the fact that it's -15. And, you would feel that air temperature of -15 because you would be radiating that heat and the cool would be coming towards you. And that's what the -15 feels like. Again, if there's no sun and there's a cup of water outside, the same thing with that cup of water, it would be radiating the heat that was within it, and maybe it would take 20 minutes to freeze instead of the 1 hour. These are just suggested times. These are not necessarily accurate. We don't know the actual temperature of the water, but this is just to help you understand. It's going to take less time to freeze than it would if it was -5. Now, here comes the interesting part. The air temperature is -5, and you have a 45 kilometer wind. There's the wind over here. So the wind is blowing that heat that you've radiated around your body away from you. Okay, so it's no longer protecting you like it was up here and sort of keeping you a little bit, warm. It's blowing away from you. So even though it's -5, it feels like -15. You feel like this guy over here because all of that heat is being blown off of you. Likewise, with our cup of water here, it is having its heat around it blown away. And so instead of taking, even though it's -5, it's going to take 20 minutes to freeze like it did up here because of the fact that the heat is being blown away from it. However, the air temperature outside is still only -5. So if you had a thermometer outside, the thermometer is not going to read any different than the -5 that it tells you on your phone or whatever, because of the fact that the air temperature is not going below -5. It'll feel like -15, like that guy up there. You'll feel like that guy when there's no wind, but it won't actually be any colder than -5. That is my explanation of, what is it called? I don't even know. Wind chill. There we go. Happy Christmas, everybody. Bye.